Hello, my name's Jeremy Rivera, Director of Content Analysis at CopyPress, and I wanted to walk you through our content analysis tool and show you what capabilities it has for you and your website to really kick off your competitive analysis, your content analysis, and keyword gap analysis, and show you opportunities that you might exploit to create an effective SEO campaign. The dashboard is going to give you an overall feeling of where you are versus three particular competitors. You get to choose what those three competitors are, but if you don't know who your competitors are, we do surface additional information that helps you identify those potential additional competitors with these common keywords and total keywords that they're ranking for. So you can review contentwriters.com, coschedule.com, and see if any of these particular competitors jump out as direct competitors offering a similar service or product offering, and give you an idea of how effective they are right now in their market space. Are they David or are they Goliath? Are you David or are you Goliath? To see how effective you are right now, we have data that shows you your current rankings, your current estimated organic traffic for those terms and phrases, an overview of competition level for that term or phrase. But more importantly, we also surface your competitors' top keywords, and you can see if their top terms are brand phrases or whether they're non-branded terms based off of a service they offer or based off of an article that they've written that's been very successful. To get into it a little bit more, this content gap analysis is where you're going to be doing the bulk of the heavy lifting. And that's in a couple of places. First, looking and seeing if there's low-hanging fruit. Are there terms and phrases that your competitors rank for and are getting search volume for that you don't rank for? So that's the low-hanging fruit report. It shows all your competitors' terms and phrases where you don't show up. So we could definitely work on being a better content marketing agency in our branding and in our copy, or focus on writing agency or content marketing services. These terms and terminology differ based off of your industry, but this is a quick way to find easy targets. Then you can analyze topically how any of those three competitors are doing for their best topical content. This expands to show all of the different versions of that singular term, or as well as the potential traffic for that term or phrase they're gaining at this particular time. So you can take a look at their what is controlled media and gather this information. Each of these reports lets you export these keywords, terms and phrases for you to send to your copywriter, your content team. Now, knowing how large or effective your competitors are in terms of links is another aspect. We show you how many backlinks you currently have, and we give you citation flow and trust flow and a topical inventory for the type of site that's sending you a link, so we can see, do I have a good profile of quality links right now, and see some opportunities. All three of these competitors have backlinks from SaaS Hub. All three of our competitors have links from Login Band, from Capterra. Some of these might be good opportunities for us to review and get placed there. And we can also dig into our competitors' list of backlinks to find opportunities for outreach, get placed, put content article, and connect with those potential publishers so that we can receive that same benefit from them. Using all of these tools in combination to improve your content and improve your outreach is why we built this content analysis tool.